Amiro, you will continue this. You will answer some of the classwork. Here. What is our lesson, Amiro? This is regarding what?
Fraction.
Yeah. So you continue answering your fraction. While your ate is doing some another topic.
Topic.
You stay here.
Fraction will the same.
Amiro, stay here so that you can put your books.
Miniatures and
So our topic for Kaithlyn is about integers.
check the fraction that is similar to the fraction on
For
the
example,
on the
we will do adding integers.
Isn't integers the number at the top of a number?
No. It's
Ma.
addition and subtraction sign
Ma,
at the top of the number. Yes?
do we have to circle it or square it?
Read the
Check.
instruction.
If the fraction wrong. This is the instruction. Check the fraction that is similar to the fraction on the left.
Oh, so where is the left? Where?
Are you sure?
Where is your left hand? Oh, so find the fraction from here that is similar to this.
Yeah, I'm asking
So you-
one. Check it.
Check. Like that. So one example, Kaithlyn, is like this. 4 plus 5. So always remember, adding two positive integers, simply prefix the sign of the integers. 4 plus 5 is
9.
9. So the integers will be plus.
What if you add the
Wait. So that will be the first example. Yes, Amiro.
it in the left it's full of one half one, but right in the right this one is 2 and this one is 3 full and all is it full.
How much? How many boxes on that one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So is 6 and this one is like 2, right? But all is shaded. It's like 2 over 2, right? Huh? So this one, 6 over 6. Is it the same? Whole number? Continue. So another example is negative. This is called negative. This is positive. Negative 4 plus positive 5 equals
Negative 9.
no. Negative 4 and negative 5 equals
4, 5. Negative 7.
negative
1,
9.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3,
So,
4, 5.
always remember that if two numbers with the same integers, like for example this one, the same, positive and positive, the
Then
answer
make
will
it
be
positive.
positive. negative to negative, the answer will be negative. But on
What
this,
if it's positive to negative?
so in this example, this will answer your question. Positive 3 minus negative 7 plus negative 7 is, the answer is negative 4.
But you plus.
Yeah, it's plus, but still it's negative because this one is negative.
What if you put the sign of minus, not plus?
No. That is the integers will be positive since integers will be negative since the bigger
Teacher,
has the positive integer.
the bigger
Has
has
the
the
negative integer. The bigger number has a
So
negative
this
integer.
is 7.
Mm,
7 bucks. So 1 is not shaded.
mm,
But for this one, this is 7 bucks.
mm.
And 2, why is 2 not shaded?
So,
That's 6.
so there's no answer to this one.
No answer?
Mm.
Okay, so.
Because it's not, it's similar. So the same.
Oh, yeah. Two, three, four, five, six. Okay.
Okay? And for the last one is this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Negative
1, 2,
3
3, 4, 5,
plus positive 7
9,
equals
positive 10.
positive 4.
1, 2, 3.
Because it's negative, right? The integer is negative. So this one, it's like this, oh.
1, 2, 3.
I will show you.
5.
This is the 0. This is 0. This side is
Positive.
positive.
4, 5,
1, 2, 3, 4. This one is negative. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
4,
1, 2, 3,
7,
4.
8, 9.
So it's negative 3, di ba? So like this.
1, 2,
This
3,
is
4, 5, 6,
3.
7, 8.
So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from that one, you will also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will do like that.
1, 2, 3.
So if you will remove this one,
6, 7, 8.
so what is
9?
the,
1, 2,
what is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sign is positive.
7, 8. I don't really get it.
Okay. So this one, this is the neutral sign. This stands for the 0. Move to the left, the numbers is positive. Going to the right, the numbers is, going to the left, the number is negative. Going to the right, the number is positive.
8, 9. Okay.
So, we want to get negative 3. So, this is the line for the negative 3. This one. But we will count for the positive 3. So, we will include this one. Since we will remove it, we will include this one. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because we start it from here. So, 7, negative 3 plus positive 7 will be positive 4 since the 7,
And
the
circle
bigger number
the
is
similar fraction.
positive.
Okay.
But if you but we need to remove it because it's negative.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it's the left number is 4.
Okay.
You understand? You have to understand it. If you don't know, you have to ask question because I'll be giving you an exam. Sandali lang. Daddy Angel. Go to another one. Okay, go to another one. That's okay now? Okay, do this one.
Encircle the similar fraction.
Okay, I will discuss it to you later. But I will take first Ate. Okay?
Okay.
So, you understand now, Kaithlyn? So, always remember, two positive integers,
Makes
adding two positive integers simply
Makes
prefix
a
the positive sign.
Adding
Adding two negative integers simply prefix the negative sign. And for this one, integers will be negative since the bigger number has negative sign. And for this one, for this example, the integers will be positive since the bigger number is positive.
But you still minus.
Yeah, because you are minus. Like for example, even if it's minus, even if it's minus, but has a positive integer, the answer will be
A positive.
positive sign.
Okay.
Okay? So
Can you subtract integers?
yeah, you have to wait. We will go to subtraction of integers. So you have to listen carefully because this one we need to understand properly since we are going to you are having an exam afterwards. Okay? For this example, this is subtraction.
Wait, in the exam, can I use scratch paper?
Yeah. Positive 5 equals positive 2. You just simply deduct because it has the same integers. Okay?
If it's minus,
So the second example will be this one. Positive 7 minus negative 2
it will
equals
be
positive
5.
9. So you will check this one. You will check. Positive 9 minus negative 2. The answer will be
7.
positive 7. Because this one, see? You see, I put the bracket. So negative times negative, the answer will be positive.
Okay.
So that's why, if you are hesitant to your answer, you have to recheck. Get the sum minus the subtrahend. The answer will be this one. Yeah. Okay?
So if it's adding, the answer will be minus. But if it's subtracting, the answer will be plus.
So the next one. Negative 8 minus positive 3 equals negative 11. So you will check the same thing.
11
11
minus
plus
plus 3
equals, the answer will be negative, since the bigger number is negative. So, this one is the one who is holding the power. So, that's why it will be negative 8. So, the same one.
Okay.
So, the best thing you have to do is you always check if your answer is right. Another example.
Mama, I want to ask a question. On the top, the 9 has the power because it has more, what do you call that?
But, as I told you, this one, diba? Negative to negative. That's why it's positive. So, all positive. So, that's why you need to add. Because there is a bracket. If there's no bracket on this one, so you will just simply deduct it.
Oh, okay. But in there, like you said, in 11 plus 3, that has the power, but we didn't plus for 9 minus 2.
Huh?
Because 9 is positive, and it's the bigger number, we didn't plus though, like we did in the bottom minus, even though it was a plus.
You mean this one?
Uh-huh.
Because when you check, when we minus this one, for example, we minus this one, we will put 5, diba? Positive 5. So when you check, positive 5,
Positive 5 plus negative 2 equals 7.
so this one will be positive 3. The answer will be positive 3.
How?
Because this one is negative, diba?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. I kind of don't really get it.
I will give you another formula. The next one is, okay, I will give you the formula. Always remember the formula. The formula is m minus n equals m plus n. Like for example, this one. Plus 7 minus plus 5 equals plus 7 plus 5. So this is the formula. M minus n equals m plus n.
What's M?
Stands for this number.
Positive?
And n stands for this number. It's the formula. It's like A plus B. B plus C. Like that. So the answer for this one equals
2? Positive 2?
yeah. It's positive 2. the integers, you are putting this one like that. This one is plus. Only the integers, di ba? So that's why it's positive 2. The next example is plus 7 minus negative 2 equals plus 7 plus positive 2 equals positive 9. Okay?
Is that the same as you did on the second one?
Yeah, it's the same only. Actually, this one also is the same.
Okay.
The example that I'm giving is the same, but I'm giving you the formula
If
that it will be easy for you to
you
understand.
never showed me this, if there's negative 5 minus negative 2, will it be negative 3?
Hmm?
If it's negative 5 minus negative 2, will it be negative 3?
Negative 5
Plus
Minus-
negative 2.
negative 2.
Will it be negative 3 like you did on...
Yes.
Okay.
Like this one, no? See? Negative 8 minus positive 3 equals negative 8 plus positive 3.
Will be...
So the answer will be negative 11.
Oh, because you're plus.
Yeah. Because that's how it is.
Even though the bigger number has negative and the sign is plus, you have to plus, but the
but the bigger number
integer
is-
will be
From the bigger number.
yeah.
So m minus n equals m plus n. Okay?
Okay.
So this is what you are asking. Negative 8 minus negative 3 equals
Negative 5.
negative 8 plus positive 3 equals
Negative 5.
Okay?
Hmm.
So let's go to multiplication. So for the multiplication, this is the example. Plus 6 times plus 5. So since multiplication is
Repeated addition.
repeated addition, so it's like 5 plus 5 plus 5
Equals 30.
plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Since the sign is positive, okay, so you got that one.
Okay.
So we can therefore say that the product of two positive integers will be positive.
Okay.
Huh? So,
What if it's negative 6 times negative 5? Will
so
it
negative
be,
to negative will be positive. Same answer.
but it's,
Two integers having the same, two numbers having the same integers, the answer still is positive.
How?
Because when you multiply the two numbers having the same integers will be positive. It's either positive or negative. Negative to negative, the answer will be positive.
What if it's negative to positive? Will it
Okay,
still
now
be
we will
positive?
take up that one. This is the example. Plus 3 positive minus negative out multiplied by negative 4. So this one times this one is already positive. No numbers, no integers means positive.
Okay.
So what we will do, see. Negative 4 because it's repeated addition, di ba? So the answer will be negative 12. Since positive, always remember, positive multiplied by negative, the answer will be always negative. You understand?
Positive to negative. If you times negative, will be negative.
Positive to negative
If,
integers the answer will be negative.
okay.
Regardless which numbers has the biggest value.
Okay. Can you divide integers?
Of course. So the last one will be division. The quotient of two integers, the quotient of two positive integers will be positive. So this is the one. So what will be the answer?
48 divided by 6 will be, what is that? I know, positive 8.
So positive 8. So the same like this also. Positive 48 divided by positive 8. So the answer will be positive 6.
What about negative to negative?
The next one is the quotient of two integers with unlike signs is negative. Like for example this one. Negative 45 divided by positive 5. So what will be the answer?
Negative 9.
Oh, check. So negative 9. So it's like the same like this one, no? Negative 9 times positive 5. What will be the answer?
Positive 45. Negative 45?
Diba? As I told you, multiplying, it's like also division. Multiplying unlike integers, multiplying numbers with unlike integers, the answer will always be negative.
Okay. Regardless its value.
Yeah, regardless of the value of the number. The next one, like this. 5 times positive 3 equals, what's this?
5 times positive 3 will be negative 15.
Huh?
Negative 15.
So, hence, the same as you are doing like this. Negative 15 divided by positive 3
Will be
was-
negative 5.
Yeah. So the quotient and the quotient of the two positive, the two negative integer is
Positive.
positive. So are you ready for the exam?
I'm just gonna get my pencils.
Okay. Amir we will do our fraction.
Mama, what sign is this? What will that be?
That is division.
All?
Yeah, this all division.
Okay. Mama's back. Whoa. You never use this, Mama. Ma, you never use this. I like it.
Okay. This one, Amiro. We will do the fraction.
This will be
The similar. Fractions with the same denominators are called similar fraction. For example, this one. This is Amir. This is Kipka. This is Chano. This is Angelique. So what are the common fraction of these numbers? What are the common things? What are the common among these fractions? Huh?
determined around axis. This will be positive 25. Positive.
So what are the commons of this fraction? You see? How many? What is this fraction?
4.
Oh. So the
3,
common.
4.
Yeah, so what is the commons? This one. This one.
Positive
This is 3, 4. This one.
1, 4.
Okay. So this one.
2, 4.
2/4. This one.
Positive 1, 2.
This one.
4, 4.
Oh, 4/4.
Negative.
So what do you think is the common for this these fractions?
This one, the top one is
See, check. This is 3/4, 1/4, 2/4, 4/4. So what do you think is the common among these fractions?
67 plus
Huh?
1/4.
So the commons are the denominators. Diba? The denominators is all 4. It's different. Say different.
Negative
This one is
67.
3/4. This one is
plus
1/4. This is
positive 7.
2/4, and this one is 4/4. But the denominator
We're
is
gonna minus
the same. So these fractions
this
are
one
similar.
is gonna be minus, but the answer, but
If the denominator is the same, so the fractions are called similar.
so it all it's all 60 and it's a negative.
Yeah, it's common.
Wait, negative
Because
or
they
positive?
have something in common. They have the same. There are 4 different fractions but the same denominator. So it's called common denominators. Similar fraction.
This one will be.
Huh?
Wait, I have a question. If 96 is the bigger and it's plus, will the answer be positive?
Of course.
So this one we're gonna minus 86 positive.
So you understand, Amira?
Yeah.
So are you ready now to take the exercise again?
Yes. 7. 37.
Okay. Go ahead.
Man, next time can you make these far apart?
Okay.
This one is 35. Take my pencil. Use mine. And circle the similar 42 negative. This one will plus, but the answer will be positive, negative. So teacher,
Yes.
if it's not similar, do I have to not circle?
Because this one, see, this is 1/4, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
It's only in the one, not this one. This is the encircle the similar fractions. Similar fractions. So, what is this? The same? 4 and 8 is common. Oh, so what will be common? In this one, where is the common? Common fractions. Where is, the similar fractions? Having the same denominator. Where is the denominator?
Is the denominator?
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the denominator. So where is the same? Having the same denominator from this one. Oh, so that's the similar fractions.
Oh, okay. So Ma, is it the same like the plus?
So on with that one.
Like the plus, the big one.
That is exam. And why? Go ahead, Amir.
Positive to positive. done.
You're done?
48 positive. Name the fraction for the shaded parts, then identify whether the fraction are similar or not. Write S in if they are similar and X if not.
This way.
Positive 56 positive. This one's gonna be negative 64 negative 55 negative. What's the sure.
Yes.
The fraction of the shaded in the circles is not negative 4. These are not the same.
Oh. So, what is the...
So do I have to do this?
Yeah, you have to tell her what is...
Yes.
No, listen. Remove that one. What is this fraction? Oh, so what is that?
38.
3/8. Oh, so then you will write 3/8 because you need to write the fractions before you will identify if it is similar or not. Ano yan?
Ma, you never showed me this. 3 numbers.
But that's the same. You will just multiply. And what will be the integers?
The integer are negative, positive, negative. What will that be?
So positive, negative to negative will be positive. Positive to positive will be positive. Positive to negative.
3/8. Negative.
Oh,
3/8.
oh that one.
4 times 7.
What is this?
4 times 7 makes 21.
And the other one.
189. Wait.
So you will write here S if they are similar, X if they are not similar. You will write from here. So are they similar? Oh, then what you will write here?
35.
So you will write first the fraction before you will write your answer here.
7. But these are all trees.
Huh?
These are all trees. Positive.
Ah, yeah. So it's similar because they have in common. The common is their numerator. On that one, the common is numerator. The numerator is the number at the top.
So it's like multiplication. If it's
This is
negative
like
to
this.
negative means
This is
positive,
called numerator.
or negative to negative is
There,
negative.
this is called the
I think
nominator.
True. Positive.
Okay?
This one's negative.
So-
Numerator is the top and denominator is in the bottom.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead.
63, 9. So S 7 negative. So 7 negative. 8 positive. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 divided by 27. 4, 1, 5, 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 positive. 1, 6, negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 36, 30, 34, 36, 38, 40. 20 times 2 equals. I'm done. Done.
Okay. Give me that. And while we are doing, I'm checking that one. Where is my red pen? We will do your Amiro. We will do your English. Okay. Okay. You do this one. Answer the whole thing. Because it's not yet finished. Ikaw, Kaithlyn. Where did you stop?
Where? BB.
Oh. But you did not.
Yeah, I already did.
See? It's not yet done. See? Diba? So you have to finish that one.
I did all of the parts.
That one you're done, but you have to finish.
Right.
You have to read and
Of the Philippines. Part 1. Andres Bonifacio was born in a small shack in Tutuban on November 30, 1863. His parents were Santiago.
Mom, what does
and
tree mean?
Catalina. Bonifacio. He had 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Part 2.
choose the
Bonifacio
words in the
began
box that
his
you associate with the word ugly.
education
Ma, baby
in
cannot finish it.
Tudo, Manila. He was 14 when his parents died. He and his siblings became orphans. He had to work. His first job was to serve as a messenger clerk. He also sold fans and paints in the busy street on Binondo. Binondo. Part 3. Bonifacio did not finish his schooling, but he was very bright. He taught himself how to read. He read novels. He read about the lives of presidents. He read about the French Revolution. Part 4. During Bonifacio's time, the Spaniards were ruled through the Filipinos. Bonifacio organized a secret society. It was called KKK. It was also called Katipunan. On May 10, 1897, Bonifacio and his brother were killed in Maragondon. They Cavite. He is all called the father of the Filipina Revolution. Great lives and the rest. Bonifacio by Kahanan. Books for young readers. Answer the following question. Look for the answer in the list part. Part 1. Where was Andres Bonifacio born? Tell us about the family. Bonifacio were born. Part 2. Where did he began to education? Tell us what happened when he was 14. I think that was in the third page. Nope, it was in the second. It was in the second page. So why am I here?
Kaithlyn, what is this?
Part what book did he read?
70.
Tell
How come
us.
it's 17?
Whose work he read? Works he read?
Hmm?
Tell us
It's 5.
whose
5
works
times 7 makes
he
35.
read.
35. 35 times 2 equals 70.
Part 3. What books did he read? Mama, does this make any sense? Tell us whose works he read. Does this make any sense? Tell us whose works he read.
Oh, so which books he reads?
But I just answered.
Then go ahead.
Okay. What group did he from? Did he from? Tell us something about the K, 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 the K, 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 the K, K, K. Wait, what? Okay. Really? Is that in the KKK? Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you. Number 5. What happened on May 10th, 1897? Who is Bonifacio called? Are you prop Bonifacio Y? Blue. Okay, I'm done. And the Bonifacio. I'm cold.
You have to finish the whole section.
Yeah, I finished the whole section.
No.
What grade will you give to Ray Andres Bonifacio? Put a check mark in the columns of your choice. What grade? PG grade. Helpful. Handwork. Right. Wait. Grade. Right. Up. Done. Excellent. Good point. Excellent. B-G, very good. G, good. B, poor. Okay. But we always make stick puppets and it doesn't work. Let's stop. Bottom, right. Left, right, top, bottom. Teacher, what do I have to do here?
one, the other
From
one.
left to right and top.
Kaithlyn, Amir, the other one. Yeah, that one.
It says make stick puppets. Label each stick's puppet with the chapter's name. The teacher will give you the script of the puppet show. But we don't have the box of
Okay,
puppet show.
the next one.
Dr. Joe's result is for national hero. He wrote to Nobel, Lee Downer, and
El filibusterismo.
The
Spaniards.
Spaniards got mad with Dr. Rizal. They sentenced him to death. He died from dumb. Then her teacher will read some words. Your classmate will repeat after him or her. Tell the class what your classmate must say the whole word. Teacher, classmates, you, she, it, she, Done. I'm home.
The spelling of freeing is F-R-E. The spelling of freeing is F-E-R-F-R-E-E-I-N-G or F-R.
Free.
Freeing.
What's the meaning of that?
You're going to free somebody.
F-R-E-E-I-N-G. You finished now.
I'm cold. I'm cold, guys. So don't freeze. See, Ma, catch fish in the river. We need cash to pay the canteen. Society was short and before shall start. Listen to the new set of words again. Your classmates will repeat each word, not note what was missed. Your classmates, you. Dish, mama, dish, and then still dish, Wash our hands before eating.
Mama, what is ellipsis?
Ellipsis.
Wash fish. Cash. Don't dash. Don't dash when entering the room.
The omission from speech or
Mama.
writing.
Ma, is this true? Don't dash when entering the room. Dash.
Hmm?
Dash.
Okay.
If you wanna eat
Can I go I wish you would careful. Thank you. Okay. Does the teacher do that?
Yes, I think she does. And the student doesn't practice around it. Half of
Yeah, I am because I'm so cold. So don't.
he wraps himself around it. Check it. How it happens.
Do you like me short hair? Do you like my scarf? Do you like? Huh? I don't get the sentence. Do you like?
Ma, is this section, for example, I was on section 2.
Do you like?
And
Do you
now I'm on
like?
section 3. Is that a section?
Do you like short hair?
Do you like short hair?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
I said yes.
I said no.
For me, it's yes.
For me, I said no.
So what?
Put your answer. It's your book.
Isa. Nandiyo na yung ano yun.
Be careful
Nandun mo sila doon, naka-standby.
with the shark
Ha?
knife.
Ha?
Alis na.
Ma, are we gonna go? Because
Nakita daw ng tambang mga pinarasuhan. Tapos tambang.
Alis na na.
Finish
yeah, I'm done.
Everything here.
After this done,
If it's the next section. Yes, it is the next section.
the next section. Huh? No. Wait. Wait. Diba, I'm here. There's no next section.
This is a section. Lesson 3 is section 3. Yeah?
Yeah, but this is section 2.
Yeah. If you finish this one, this will be section 3.
So
It's not based on the page,
So
it's
do
based
it-
on the side of the page.
So do I have to do this?
Ask Mama.
Ma, do I have to do this?
No, the other one.
You're done?
I'm done. If I showed you the other section, I'll go return this.
Our teacher will read a new set of words. I don't need to mama because I already know how to read
Just read it by yourself.
words. The
Bye.
low
Bye-bye.
pair of
I'm gonna get
read the words as fast as you can. Ask him ask with he have all go your luck. We is here there little some them. But
Very good.
that's how
Okay, get your Filipino book. Diploma. Read some.
how many page?
10 pages. Give me that. Return that on there.
So Ate is already done? Oh?
Yeah, because Ate will do some baking later.
Mom, can I see how much
I
I
have
got
to
on
do
this exam?
my Filipino. Ang mag-asawang Shua. Ay naninirahan sa Tudo, Manila. Ang mag-asawang ito. This is the first page, second page. Ang ito ay
1516.
kilala
That is 9. It looks like 9.
sa kanila
Second half.
lugar bilang
It's not perfect, but at least bigger than what I get.
basurero. Ang basurero basurera sila ay abner at alin isa kilala ang isa
Ano yan,
sipagan
Amir?
ang asawang ito ang pangpunahin buhay ang mag-asawa ay ang pagbili ng bote yung mga lumang gamit sa kanilang lugar at araw lumang gamit. Bumili po kami sa maliit na sinikakita ay naniniwala ang mag-asawang ito na sino ay oo na oo din madalas kasi niyo kami ni Edward isang batang nagbogot. Basta't magpapatuloy ka lamang sa
You
iyong
answer this one.
kasipagan at
You answer that one.
kahit ng mabago
Answer this one.
o
Here to the last.
Not this one you did not do.
But because we did those on the computer when I was
See, Amir, ganda sa akin ba siya?
Let me see. I know the last one they were doing was parts of the plant. After plants, they that's the last one that he did. Here, he fit the plants were here. This he has a fish. Wait, see, I want this one was on a different computer.
dahil sa sipag at tiyaga na maglinis at
For donation, force and motion.
ng mga
It I
basura. Iyan nakagawa kami ng mga gamit na pang-export sa ibang bansa. Sino ba ang isip na mula lang sa mga bagay na iyan nagmumula ang mga at pan-dekorasyon na ito nagdagdag ni Abner. Kaya nga po sabi ng nanay ko ay huwag baliwalain ang mga
bali na